keeping quiet about it, seeing as you were having such a good time? No, of course I haven't fixed it yet. Twat. Alright, I think we can get her flying again. Just give me a bit longer. Prophet, get in!
You seen that before? What the hell is it?
Fuck knows. Let's just kill it.
Yeah! Yeah!